Start करूँ मैं अब? Guys, let me start. 1, 2, 3, start. So guys, team Draken or team Mikey, can we start the game now? Who said no?
Yes.
Okay. So first round we will play. I will ask you simply question and you have to reply immediately within 2 or 3 seconds. But the answer should be not in yes or not in no. Okay? 3, 2, 1, start. Dragon. Line by line start करवाओ या फिर 3, 2, 1 start. Okay guys, let's start. Lucy, speak in white.
हाँ.
How are you, Lucy?
I am fine.
Are you good?
I am also good.
Give it to her. Is your name Alicia or Ali?
Yes, sir.
Alicia or Ali?
Ellie.
Ali. So are you good?
Yes. I am fine.
She said yes. You are out. Give it to her. Idala.
Nancy.
Yes. Miss Jenny, how are you?
I am fine.
So Jenny, what do you think that is your name still should be Jenny or something else?
Jenny.
Same name?
Yeah.
So what do you think in this group? She said yes.
No.
But you said no. Give it to her. She said no.
Maybe.
Maybe what? She said yes or no?
Of course.
What of course? What
She said.
What she said?
I don't know.
So how do you say that? Give it to her now. How are you, miss?
I am good.
You're just good or you're sad like Bebo? Is she sad?
I don't know.
What you know then? Do you know about yourself? Do you know about yourself?
Of course.
You know. What you know? Everything or something something? Everything or something something?
Something.
Boy something something. Give it to her. Hindi nahi bolna. Don't talk to me right now. How are you, Bebo? I think you feel not good.
Maybe.
Maybe. So what do you think? Are boys dumb?
Of course.
Oh my god. In class. Speak in English. Yes.
Sir, you are out. You said the word.
So I'm out, right?
Yes.
You are out now. Give it to see. You are playing with me. How is it possible? Is she out? Is she out?
I don't know.
What you know then?
Nothing.
Nothing? It means yes.
No.
कौन है ये नीचे झुका कर सर? अच्छा सैंडी. How are you, Sandy?
Fine.
Speak in mic.
Fine.
I didn't tell you to stand. Did I tell you?
No.
Give it to him out. Out of your house. Nick. How are you, Nick?
I'm fine.
Do you have one father? Don't laugh. Just say yes or no. Yes. Out. Dragon. Does he have one father? Does he have one father? Speak in mic.
It's possible. It's possible.
I didn't. Guy. So is it possible, right?
Maybe.
To be a one father, it's possible.
I told you maybe.
Just tell him to shut up. Just tell him to shut up.
Shut up.
Shut up. Okay. So if anyone speaks so much, should he be shut up?
I think.
So you think everything. What you think? Right?
You can say.
I can say so many things about you.
So
but
it's
I
your
don't want.
problem. It's your problem.
It's my solution.
You can say everything.
Of
It's
X.
your problem.
Most of the people didn't understand anything. I knew it.
That's why he clapping.
Exactly. Right? Am I right? That's why they clapped. That's why they clapped. This is the reason that they clapped.
You think it's
This is the reason that they clapped.
is this fan?
This is the reason that they clapped. You can't ask me. You have to give me the answer only.
I told you it's a reason behind it.
So this is the reason, right?
You can say.
Do it time.
मेरी बारी ओके कर देंगे लाड.
Yes. Don't repeat it again, okay? I will come to you. Don't worry. How are you, man?
I am fine.
You are fine. You are man, right?
Yes.
Give it to him. Okay कर दिया तूने? How are you, Sameer? Sorry, Marco. Is your name Marco, right? Speak in the mic. Your name is Marco?
I don't know.
Do you even know that where do you sit right now? Do you even know this? Just tell me yes or no. Oh, you are already out. Sorry. Let's talk to you. So, Mr. Marco, is that 5 alphabet came into your words? Zero civic sense.
Nothing.
Nothing. And does he have something?
Nothing.
He has nothing. You have nothing, bro. Give it to him.
Yes, कर दे.
You have nothing. You have nothing.
Right. Something.
You have something. It means you have so many things. It means you have something or something, right? Yes. How are you, man? Sorry? Fine. You are just fine.
Yeah.
Why?
Yes, the one.
He out a game. गाइस ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, मैंने कहा था एंड में जिसकी टीम बचेगी वो जीतेगी. तो आप आउट माइक दो किसी और को.
ये बोलने में भी
मुझे क्या पता. So Nancy, you're a girl, right?
Of course.
Do you proud in yourself? Do you proud?
I proud
Do you proud
so much
so much?
on myself.
What you achieved that you proud so much? You achieved a good smile,
Maybe.
maybe, and Dragon also has a good smile. I think.
I don't know about him.
You don't know about him. Why? Because he's your not team leader.
It's not the reason.
It is the reason. He is not your team leader.
Of course, he's not.
So why did you say that? You said, of course, no. You are out.
Not.
You are out. Hey, William. Everybody calls you Mulayam. What is this? Is it your name Mulayam? No?
नहीं कुछ भी नहीं बोला.
So speak English, don't speak Hindi.
I don't know.
Is your name Mulayam?
I don't know.
So why people call you Mulayam?
His choice.
His choice only, not her choice.
I don't know.
Their choice.
Oh, okay,
No,
okay.
I don't know.
Softy, your that's means.
No.
He's Mulayam, that's what I'm saying. Okay, so do you want to be hard or softy? Or nothing? Right.
Nothing.
You want to be nothing?
No.
Really? You don't want to be boy?
Yes, I am boy.
Why people calls you dark people? ओए तू सबको बता रहा है. रहने दे भाई. Why people calls you dark?
Because I am. Because I am.
It is the reason, right?
That's why.
Yes, you did. Nancy. Is Nancy so talkative? Is Nancy so talkative?
I don't know.
What you know?
No, तो no.
चलो फर्स्ट राउंड के लिए होते टीम ड्रैगन ताली बजाओ.